Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be depotting all of my lipsticks from my professional makeup kit. I've got about, how many? I think I've got something like 26 lipsticks that I need to depot because it's just getting a little bit overwhelming and it's just a nightmare to sort of fiddle through your kit and sort of find each lipstick that you want when you've got that many. So it'll just be so much easier once I depot them into this empty view set palette, which I got from Amazon. And this was about £16. I'll link it below so that if anyone wants it. It's a little bit smaller than what I thought it would be. I did think it was going to be a little bit bigger. However, it will do the job, and I think it will fit a whole tube of lipstick in it, hopefully. But I've heard really good things about these. I've seen really good reviews, so I just wanted something that was so much more compact instead of carrying like 30 lipsticks, because it just gets a bit annoying sort of rummaging through your kit trying to find this one lipstick that you want, especially when they're all in the same packaging. So majority of my lipsticks, I'd say 90% of them, are from Charlotte Tilbury, so they have that very distinct rose gold packaging, except for the ones that come in these tubes. But again, there's so many shades that I forget which one is which, so it's just easier if I can have them in a palette and then I will label them so I know which is which, and it's so much smaller and more compact. So yeah, I'm really excited to pop them in here. A little bit sad that I haven't got all the pretty packaging. I hate depotting stuff just for the sake that when you buy really high-end makeup, you're buying it because you love the makeup, but you're also buying it because the packaging is just, it wins you over. Like marketing, like packaging marketing is a great thing, and it's just such a shame that when you depot stuff you lose the packaging. But it will be so much easier and so much lighter because my kit is just getting so heavy. This weekend I have tidied up my kit because I just had such a large collection, and I have still got quite a lot of spare stuff, but I finally managed to condense it, so this will just condense it even more by popping it in this palette. So I'm excited to see how it goes. So I have drawn all of my lipsticks onto this sheet of paper, and I've basically just put them on the paper wherever, and then I rearrange them as to where I think they should sit in the palette. So I'm going to use this as a guide. So slight change of angle, hopefully you guys can see everything that I'm doing fairly up close. So I'm going to run off my guide. I've got my clean palette, and I've also got a spatula and some cotton pads just so I can sort of clean off between each lipstick, just so I don't mix any shades together. And as I do each shade, I'm then going to use these little labels to write down the colour that I've used and stick it onto the back of the palette, just so that I've got a guide on the back of the palette and I know which is which, just in case one's running low and then I need to repurchase it. So yeah, I'm gonna speed through this just so you can see how I'm popping them into the palette, and then I'll show you the end result.
So as you can see, I am just pushing down the lipsticks into the well, and I'm using this clear stainless steel spatula just to really mush them into the corners of the well, just so that I can fit as much of the bullet in there as possible. I managed to get a whole bullet in these, which was really handy. I definitely thought I was going to have a lot of excess left over. Some lipsticks where they carried a little bit more, there was like the tiniest little bit left over, but I've just kept the bullets so that I can just top it up, and then once I run out completely I can then purchase a new one. So yeah, I'm just pushing these in. I didn't need any heat or anything. I feel like this is the easiest way to do this and also the safest way, but I did have to go in a little bit more with cotton pads and like Q-tip earbuds just to clean up like the little lines in between each shade, just so it was nice and sort of seamless and tidy. And then you'll see that I start adding in the labels on the back of the palette just so I can refer to what lipstick is what.
Just finished potting all of my lipsticks into my palette. Really happy with how they turned out. I didn't need to melt them. As you'll see in the video, I've literally just squashed them down because I didn't want to ruin the formulation by heating it up. So this way you're not dealing with any hot tools or any heat, you're just smushing it down and cleaning it up with earbuds or cotton pads. But I managed to fit a whole bullet in each of these wells, so I'm really happy with that. Some of the lipsticks you'll see in the video, there was a little bit of excess, so I've kept it behind, and I will keep the tubes just because there's a little bit in there and every little bit counts. So, but at least I don't have to carry all of them day to day with my kit. So yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out. You can also use these to depot your cream foundations, cream concealers, blush, bronzer, all of those cream products as well, and just get the bigger well compartment one. But yeah, for today I just wanted to do my lipsticks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.